If you understand the basic structure of choose function, then let us understand how we can forecast sales under best case, base case and weak case scenario using choose function. On our screen, we have been given the historical sales of 2012 and we are assuming that the company can grow at maximum 6% if the company performs best. If the company performs on an average, then the growth will be only 4%, and if the companies go weaker, then minimum sales growth rate will be 2%. And we want to design a scenario analysis using choose function here. So let me put the choose function here first. Put in equal choose, press tab to activate the function. Index number is B6, comma, value 1 is best, comma, value 2 will be base, comma, value 3 is weak, bracket close. Now understand what choose will do. Choose will work on the basis of index number. If index number is 1, then value 1 will be the output for choose function, and value 1 is best and the answer should be best. If I have 2 here, then it should be base. If I have 3 here, then it should be weak. Now we have to put the choose function here also in this row. Put in equal choose, index number will be B6, comma, value 1 is 6%, comma, value 2 will be 4%, comma, value 3 is 2%, bracket close. Now if I have 1 here, 6% will be the output. If I have 2 here, then 4% will be the output. If I have 3 here, then 2% will be the output. Now the answer here in this case should be 2%. We are getting 0.02. To convert this number into percentage, on the home tab, click on this percentage. You can look at the shortcut key also, control shift percentage. Let me use the shortcut control shift percentage to convert the number to percentage format. Now I cannot simply copy this across because we will get the value error. Why we are getting value error? Because the reference to this B6 has now changed to F6. So what we need to do, we need to fix the index number so that when I copy this formula across the columns, the reference to index number does not change. So let me press F2 here and B6 should be fixed. So press F4 to make it an absolute reference. Enter, copy this and paste it across. Now to forecast sales, put in equal, take the historical sales into bracket start 1 plus 2%, close the bracket. Now if you add 1 to 2%, it will be 1.02, and if you multiply 1.02 to D14, that is 1000, we will be growing the sales by 2%, and answer here should be 1020. So copy this and paste it across. You can see in few of the cells we are having multiple decimals and few of them are having lesser number of decimals. So select this range. On the home tab, click on this comma style to display it in the number format and have only 2 decimals. If you want to decrease the decimals, you can click on this decrease decimal button. If you want to increase the decimals, click on this increase decimal button. So likewise, I don't want to display decimals. Now let us analyze the sales forecast. If I have 1 here, then what will happen? This 2% will change to 6%, and that 6% is used for forecasting sales. Now if I have 2 here, then what will happen? This best will become base and this 6% will become 4%, and that 4% will be used in sale forecasting. Just see that. If I have 3 here, then this 4% will become 2% and that 2% will be used to forecast sales. Let's see the impact of it. We are getting this way. So with the help of choose function, we can do the scenario analysis also.